last record actually. Do you wanted to select the last record from the data frame? You can apply -1. What you can apply na? -1 actually. Last index. Very good. Now interview question let me cover. There is one interview question actually. What is that interview question, you know? Important point. Instead of interview question, I can write important point. While using ILOC, okay, ILOC, we have to pass only integers to indexer. What exactly mean? Indexer. What do you mean by that? df dot ILOC of 0, valid enough. This is valid actually. Next one, df dot ILOC of 1. Hello boss, valid. Madam, it is valid actually. The next one, df dot ILOC of -1 also valid. But what is not valid, let me tell you actually. What is not valid, you know, df dot ILOC of, hello Daniel, can I give column name? No. If you give column name, gone case. You'll get error. You'll get what exactly? Error actually. You know, while using ILOC, you have to pass only what's the integer or index actually. Or what exactly mean? Index. If we pass string, then we'll get error. We'll get what exactly mean? Error actually. Yeah, seems to be order ID. So conclusion of the story, we should not pass like this. If you pass this one, what happened? Let me show you. What happened? Let me show you. Get ready, sir. Good, sir. Let me test. Let me check. What error, sir? Type error. It is telling directly a man cannot index by what exactly? Location index with a non-integer value. If it is non-integer means what, you know? It is not integer. I will not accept that one as a key. I will not accept that one as a what's a key actually, right? Even though index is a string data, you can still pass as a 0, 1, 2. It will work actually, right? I mean to say ILOC of string. What exactly mean? String, which is throwing error. Which is throwing what exactly mean? Throwing. Please, through practice only you can remember these are all. Good. So seems to be I have covered. I will tell you. Sir, no confusion. If you want, I will give one more small recap. Just listen carefully. Imagine this one is a data frame. This one is what, Sarji? Data frame. So seems to be, Daniel, column name. I would like to say this one is a single row. This one is what, Sarji? If you are thinking like you are selecting row, but will get result as a single column. Listen carefully. Your understanding is right. You are thinking like you are selecting what exactly mean? Single row. What exactly mean? Let me select actually. But what is the result? You need to look at that actually. We'll get the result as what exactly mean? No confusion. Sorry, ILOC actually. ILOC. And here what I need to pass? 0. Then here we'll get what exactly, you know, Sarji? We are getting single column as a result. We are getting what exactly mean? Single column as a result. Are you clear now at least? It's okay. If you're saying single, you know, selecting single row also, that's still okay. No confusion. I wanted to get a clarification from, you know, Mukhtar Sarji and Kumar Garu. Ajay Garu, you already responded. Thank you. Let's move on. Okay, got it. Fine. ILOC will accept only integer data. What data?
Integer data.
Otherwise, we'll get a type error, sir. We'll get what, sir? Nice. You got a clarity, I guess. Good. Okay, are you clear? Yeah. 0, valid. 1, valid. -1, valid. But order ID, hold on. First of all, order ID, column is existing. What is existing? But what is the problem with ILOC? You know, ILOC, according to that syntax, ILOC will not accept string data. Na. It will not accept. No, Daniel, I will provide string data. When I say string data, think like a column name. Think like what name? It is throwing error. But at any cost, I wanted to access. Hold on, I will cover that point also. I'm covering that point now. Did you understand or not, sir? Okay. So good. Let me tell you. Let me give highlight actually. Let me highlight whatever I have covered. Let me highlight actually. Till now, what all things I have explained. You know, Sachi. Take this one. Just 2 scenarios I covered. What are those scenarios? First of all, I have created a data frame. We selected this record. That is the first scenario. Ayyo. Sorry, sir. I don't have a scale actually. Then requirement number 1 we done actually. Am I right? Next requirement, this one also we done. I understand why you guys are laughing. Sorry, Sarji. Okay. Okay. Snake like a snake actually. This requirement also we done. Then what exactly is ayyo? Sorry. Oh, sorry. Last record also we accessed. What exactly mean? We accessed what exactly? Last record also. So seems to be by using ILOC, we are trying to accessing what we are trying to accessing now? Order ID. What we are trying to accessing? Daniel, I wanted to access this record, Daniel, but it is not accepting. This syntax is not working actually. This syntax is what exactly mean? Imagine suddenly one new student came. He's looking at board. What is going on? He may think actually. Okay, cool. Now let me show you how to select a order ID, single column.
Using lock.
Now let me explain, right? So selecting column name from data frame. Repeating again. Selecting what? Column name from data frame. Daniel, what is a column name? Column name is a order ID. What is a column name, Sarji? I would like to select one by one. You will get a clarity. Are you ready, sir? Now, upcoming example. Next example we are working on this one. Let me give a small few hints actually. Few hints. Okay, go back. What I'm planning to explaining with you today. Today topic name is a data selection by using LOC and ILOC. By using what, Saji? LOC. Without this one also we are getting results.
Yeah.
Without this one also we are getting what, sir? Yeah, we are getting results actually. Yeah, we already know how to select a single column, how to select a multiple columns, right? And a specific value also, we already done these are all. Selecting single column, multiple column, top 5 rows, last 5 rows, selecting a specific value also we done actually. Am I right? I need a response. The same examples we can still apply by using what exactly, LOC and ILOC, and ILOC we started. What we started? ILOC we started, yeah. When I started LOC and ILOC, initially there is a theory. I completely skipped actually, but I'm focusing on example. Sir, whenever you are focusing on example, LOC and ILOC is very easy. I forget here one point actually. What is that point, Please focus on syntax. Focus on what, Saji? Syntax. If you focus on syntax, the LOC, ILOC is very easy. LOC means location, sir. ILOC means indexed based location. Indexed based location actually. So small notes. If you want, you can make a note. LOC means what exactly? Location based. Location based actual. Location based selection. Location based selection. ILOC means index location based selection. Index location based selection. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. I request you, please focus on the syntax. So there are 4 syntaxes would you have. Please focus on focus point. This point, if you want, you can include at last also. Please focus on syntax actually. There are 4 syntaxes would you have. How many syntaxes, man? 4 syntaxes. If you understand this, if you understand this, then we can close the discussion actually. Out of 4 syntaxes, 1 syntax just now I covered actually. Syntax. First syntax just now I covered. Syntax 1. Rather than topic, you need to remember the syntax. DF of ILOC, here you need to provide kind of some single number. Kind of some number you can provide. What we can provide? number. When I say number, index. Yeah, exactly. This is the syntax number 1. Valid syntax actual. Syntax number 1. Valid syntax. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? కెన్ ఐ గెట్ ఎ రెస్పాన్స్? గుడ్. కెన్ ఐ టెల్ యూ సింటాక్స్ నెంబర్ 2? సింటాక్స్ నెంబర్ 2. లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ సింటాక్స్ నెంబర్ 2. ఇంపార్టెంట్. దిస్ ఇస్ లిటిల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాక్చువల్. Now exactly selecting order ID depend upon syntax number 2. I will go with order. I will explain with order. You will get a clarity actually. Good. All right. Let me talk with online team also. Online team, are you following? Till now, are you clear? Chappan sir, online team.
Yes sir, clear sir.
I'm waiting for your response, Mukhtar sir. Good.
Tejasvi
Good.
garu,
Online team more active. Only few guys are responding. Okay, all you guys done breakfast?
Yes,
breakfast chesara? Yeah, right.
Okay,
Don't skip the breakfast. And rather than subject, these are all secondary. First time I'm telling subject is secondary. But what is the first one? Health is important, sir. What is important? Health is important. Being your family member, I'm telling. Per day minimum 30 minutes. 30 minutes walking is required. 30 minutes minimum walking is required. That is up to you. Either morning walk, evening walk, night walk also. Right? So that is up to you. 30 minutes. Please take care about this one. Why? Because, recently, according to the health organization, people are telling, people became very lazy nowadays. People became, I'm sorry, I should not tell my relative name. Recently, I went to my relative's home actually. For them, we already know comma separator. What separator? One more time. Okay, comma separator. Daniel, for this comma separator, okay. LHS is required. What is required, Anna? LHS required. Next one, RHS required. Oh, okay, Daniel. LHS and RHS. This left hand side, whatever you are writing, left hand side, whatever you are writing, that is called as a rows selection. What selection? Rows. The syntax is important, sir. Rows selection. Right hand side, whatever you are writing, that is called as a columns selection. Quite interesting. Malli cheptanu chudandi. The syntax is, I have divided into ILOC of comma separator. ILOC of what separator?
Comma separator.
Next one will be, ILOC of LHS, comma RHS. Left hand side, whatever you are writing, that is called as a rows. Chappan sir? Rows, you are selecting the rows actually. Right hand side, whatever it is available, would you have a columns? Are you clear? Are you clear? Good, hold on. Daniel, df.ilOc. df.what Saji? ILOC. Yeah, good. So seems to be, I'm planning to rows and comma separator, columns actually. What exactly, sir? Columns. Good. We'll do one thing. If you are providing here colon symbol, what symbol, Anna? Colon symbol. You are not providing starting position, you are not providing ending position. I mean to say end actually. When I say, S means start. S means what exactly mean? Start. If you are not providing anything, only column symbol means all rows I wanted to access. Chappan sir? All rows. It means to say all rows. It means to say what? When I say column, I need first column. What is the first column? Instead of order ID, provide here also 0. Okay. Provide here also 0. Index actual. Even though column name, backend it is having the index actual. Backend it is having what such? That is invisible. That is what such? Invisible. Okay. This is the way we can access order ID. This is the syntax, Anna. That's what you need to focus actually. Nothing is there, sir. Very simple. That's what I'm telling. I will explain the syntax one more time. See, now we are going to get order ID. We are going to get what, Saji? Order ID. Put order ID was చూడండి మనకి. Wow, we got it, Saji. Single column. We are getting single column actually. Single column. Can I explain one more time? Now here, I'm repeating again. No logical thinking. Just to focus on syntax. Just to focus on syntax actually. Syntax. You need to be understand. Can I get a response from you? Good. I will cover one more time for your better understanding. for your better understanding. You will get a clarity. Simple. Let me write one more time. As I told you, the whole LOC, ILOC depend upon, there is a topic name is called as a syntaxes. There are exactly 4 syntaxes would have. If you know these 4 syntaxes, topic is nothing actually. Like, did you notice? Go back to the list comprehension. I highlighted the syntax. Highlighting syntax only a few scenario. Generally, I never highlighted the syntax. Now, list comprehension I highlighted actually. I given high priority. Now again I am giving for LOC, ILOC. Then important actually. The first syntax is very simple. The first syntax is ILOC of single number. That is a syntax number 1. If you are selecting kind of some single number, directly it will try to access the index actually. 0th index, first index, second index, third index, last index, -1, like that actually. I mean to say, here if you want, you can provide even what exactly am I happening? -1 also. Minus what exactly, sir? 1. Daniel, this is valid actually. Okay, now move on to the next one. What is the next one, you know, sir? Next one is chappantara. Here, I wanted to select this column. Then there is a syntax. Directly, can I provide directly order ID, ILOC of order ID? No, we'll get error. But I wanted to access this. Then follow the syntax. Though it is not accepting order ID, we have to pull back an index. We have to pull what, Saji? That order ID index is the 0. Customer name index is 1. Chappandi, 1. Customer ID index is 2 actually, right? So respectively like that. Now you can just have to come here. Chappandi, sir. DF of ILOC. First of all, can you help me? What separator? Comma separator. Chappana, what separator? Comma separator. Let me fill one by one. Oh, comma, right? DF dot ILOC of Daniel, same comma separator. Yeah. LHS and RHS. Slowly by slowly, I'm giving injection actually. LHS and what exactly? RHS. Good, Daniel. Then next one, DF dot ILOC of left hand side, whatever it is available, that is called as a rows selection box. What selection? Right hand side, whatever it is available, that is called as a column selection. What selection, sir? Column selection. Okay. Nice. Simple, very simple. Now, hello Daniel. DF dot ILOC. Hold on. Comma. Hold on. Column. It means to say that all rows, all columns. Chappandi? All rows, all columns. If you want, you can see. మీరు ట్రై చేయండి ఇది కావాలంటే మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. ప్రొవైడ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో యూ విల్ గెట్ సేమ్ థింగ్ లైక్ ఏ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది మీకు. యా సి యూ గాట్ ఎన్ అవుట్పుట్. సి చూడండి, లుక్ ఎట్ మై స్క్రీన్. నా మొహం చూడండి కాసేపు. లుక్ ఎట్ మీ, రైట్? యా, యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్. But I don't want all rows. I need only what exactly mean single column. Then do one thing. Really delete this one with one number. What is that number? 0. Nice. Then search it. Done. Very good. So anyway, this is the next syntax. Here let us provide single number. What number, man? Single number. Means you are selecting the single column. You are selecting what, Saji? Single column. I believe you understand this one. Let us move on. Syntax is very easy. Anyway, I have given 0. Now I hope you know what I will give the next actually. Chappandi, sir. After order ID, what is the next column? Chappandi. After order ID, customer name. Can I give directly customer name? No, you will get error. Then 1. Oh, very good. Customer name, huh? Yeah, customer name you are getting actually. It should be Chappandi, customer name. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us provide here what exactly, sir? 4. Then what you will get actually? Yeah, what you will get, Saji? Product cost. Can you tell me? Product cost 59,000. Instead of this 4, Chappandi, -1 works actually. -1 works. -1 could work out. Now let me give conclusion. ILOC give only numeric data. That too only index. That too only. That's what you need to focus. Otherwise you will get error. Otherwise you will get what Saji? Type error actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా? త్రూ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఇవన్నీ మీకు ఎప్పుడు గుర్తుంటాయి అంటే త్రూ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఓన్లీ. నో జంతర్ మంతర్, నో షార్ట్ కట్స్ ఆల్సో. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఓన్లీ త్రూ ప్రాక్టీస్ యూ కెన్ రిమెంబర్, రైట్? దిస్ ఈస్ సో కాల్డ్ as a product cost Daniel. Product cost actually. Product cost column. Still this one you can access by using -1. -1. Then search. Then actually. Wow. Daniel, we understand very clearly. 2 syntaxes I explained till now. How many syntaxes? 2 syntaxes. How many? 2 syntaxes. Just to let me walk through the document, you will get a clarity. 0th index, man. Yes, 0th index actually. 1 first index. I highlighted with the bold letter. What is ILOC? ILOC, indexed based location. Chappan? Indexed based location. Indexed based what, Sarji? Location. We can use this only for selecting the data. -1 means last record. Chappan sir, last record. Can I ask you a question? Which is syntax? First one or second one? First one. Which is syntax? First one. If comma came, there is a second syntax. This I have divided with my whole experience. Imagine if comma came, second index actually. Comma separator. Remember that comma is the target actually. Left hand side, yes. Right hand side. Left hand side, you need to provide rows. Right hand side, column. Can I play with this still syntax? Yeah, Daniel, you can play. If you are providing kind of some rows, column, all rows, right? Hey, Daniel, I need only top 5 rows. Provide here is a 0 and provide here is 5. Then, top 5 rows you will get actually. Yeah, see. Exactly, man. Exactly, actually. How nice it is. Am I right or not, sir? It works like a head method. What method? On top of series, you can apply head method, right? Exactly. Something like that. I believe you are getting. It's a kind of some column symbol. For that column, starting you can provide and end you can provide actually. Starting I would like to give 0. End I would like to give what exactly? 5. 5 actual. 5 actual. Okay. Now you are getting what exactly? Index started from 0, Daniel. 1, 2, 3, 4 till 841 we got an access. Oh, not such. Yeah, 590. So 5900. Last got also 5900. మీకు అర్థమైందా? గుడ్. Then Daniel, can I provide here 10, 15? You can give, sir. I don't have a time. You can try. Okay. Yes, slicing also you can try. More and more examples through practice.
నా మాటున బాధకు ఆక్సిజన్ క్యూ.
Like this, sir. I hope I can close this syntax. Syntax 1 and syntax 2. Who can use? Up to you. You can use. Starting number you need to specify. Ending number you need to specify. This is just now I have covered. ILOC. Directly it will not accept. But order ID is a column name we know very well. But I wanted to access that column, Daniel. Then go for comma related syntax. I kind of some, LH. Yeah. Sir, look at my screen. See, if I cover only theory, you may not understand actually. First of all, look at my screen. Comma separator. Look at the comma first. Comma separator. Left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side, rows position. Right hand side, columns position. Left hand side, column symbol, all rows. Right hand side, single number, that index actually. What is that index? 0. 0 means order ID. That's what you need to be understand. Meeku ardhaina, sir? Okay, simple. After 0, then Can I access customer name? Yeah, don't talk with the column name. Talk with what such index actual. Conclusion of the story. If you want, I will give one small idea. The idea behind, what is the idea? Idea behind is order ID. Backend it is having index. Backend it is having what such index. Also called as the name of the column. Chaptara, what is index? 0. The next one, customer name 1. Next one, customer ID, I guess. And then 2. Next one, product name. Next one, yeah, very good. Product cost. If overall you need to remember this one, search. Okay. Negative index also will work. -1, -2. Chapana. -3, -4, -5. But negative index we are not applying, but anyway we applied for one syntax. If you remember this one, you understand the topic, I guess. Meeku ardhainda search. Okay, let's move on with the next one. Okay, can take a call Timbrikin sir, 1 minute. I'm sorry. Let's move on. Now seems to be slowly I need to enter into third index. What index, sir? Third index is quite interesting. -1. What exactly, sir? -1. Now selecting the multiple rows and what exactly, sir? Are you ready? Selecting multiple rows and multiple columns actually. I wanted to select this. Here third index, third syntax actually, syntax 3, and we can even select multiple rows and columns by using ILOC indexer. Sir, it is very fun. The syntax is very fun actually. I hope you already know that. Let us continue. Yeah. Get ready to understand. Third syntax. Focus on syntax number. Can I give a small recap for all syntax actually? Now I need to cover third syntax. But before explaining about the third syntax, I would like to give a small recap about what exactly all syntax. Syntax 1. I hope you already know this. Hold on. I will ask one person. Hold on. Okalnu adugutanaganni. భయపడుతున్నారు కదా మీరు? Let me ask. To whom I will ask actually? I will not ask. Let me explain. Okay. Chapter sir. df.ilocf number valid. Simple. Straight to the point. df.iloc of a comma separator. What separator? Comma separator. Daniel, example. Here is just number. Am I right, sir? Right. I don't want to. Why? Because you already know actually. I don't want to highlight. Syntax number 3. What is the beauty with the syntax number 3? Syntax number 3 is okay. df.iloc of. Let me provide. Here you can provide column symbol. What symbol? Column symbol. Just to provide some number, a kind of some Daniel 0, and this is what exactly 5. This is what exactly mean 5. Focus on the syntax. Let me repeat again. df.iloc. df.what Saji? ILOC. Only single column. Only what column Saji? Single column. You are providing 0 and you are providing 5. Sir, if the syntax is like this, first of all indirectly means to say that rows start from 0 to 5. Columns is by default. If you are not even providing comma separator, by default columns you are going to get all columns actually. By default you are going to get what Saji? This is the third syntax. Here, comma is optional. Comma is what, Saji? Even though it is optional, we are able to access all columns also. All what, Saji? Let me show you. You will get an idea. Chudandi ikkada meeku. Can you please help me, Daniel? So, no comma separator, 0 to 5. Then, we are asking top 5 rows. We are asking columns included. Chappan sir? Included actually. This is the bumper offer. Columns included. This is exactly head method, Anna. What method? Don't ask what is head method actually. I hope you understand. Am I right? So here the syntax matter, that's what I'm telling. So ILOC of you are providing 0 to 5, no comma separator, no comma separator, then columns included. No comma separator. What is included? Columns is included. Syntax matter. మీకు అర్థమైందా? హెడ్ మెథడ్ ఆల్సో విల్ గివ్ ద సేమ్ రిజల్ట్. చెప్పండి. df dot head method actually it will give the same result, but let me tell you ILOC is super fast and this one is head method. Head method is something like a passenger actual. Sir, ILOC Vande Bharat చెప్పండి. I hope you know Vande Bharat means super fast. You need to understand. Sorry for kidding. ILOC of I would like to highlight third syntax. So syntax 3. Remember like a syntax 3. Then you never forget actually. The beauty with this one, so here I would like to highlight one small point, one small note. What is that note? All columns included. All columns are default actual. What exactly mean? Default in the sense by default included. Otherwise, if you want to simple send all columns are included. Daniel, our English is a small chota. Oh, sorry. Can you please highlight? Yeah. All columns are what exactly mean? Included. Good. Let me highlight. Syntax number 1. During interview, if anybody is asking explain about ILOC, first explain the syntax. Trust me, that person will take snapshot actual. Oh, nicely explained. Why? Because all this syntax keeping in one order is not a joke. You never find in any other book actually, but in our book we can find out. Am I right or not, sir? Who already know pandas, trust me, this kind of explanation you never get anywhere else actually. Okay. Yeah, regarding ILOC, all columns are what exactly mean? Included. Then which syntax is pending? Fourth one. But with this, let us play few examples. Let us just try to understand a few examples. Can you talk with me? Can somebody help me? Daniel, you can delete the head method. You do one thing. I'm giving only comma. I'm giving only column. Columns are included. Chapman sir? Yeah, good. I wanted to access from 10th index to I wanted to access 20th index. Sir, columns included. One more time, columns. Let me run this code actually. Wow. Cinema sorted from 10th index and we're able to access 9th index. All columns. Chapman sir? All columns. I hope you got it. Can I continue? Nice. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Who told data science difficult actually? Give me a number. Chapandi 10 to 20. Like this, you need to practice. Fourth syntax. Anyway, let me walk through the material. 0 to 5. Daniel, no comma separator. All columns will get. Oh, very nice. Fourth index I'm entering. Syntax number 4. Syntax number what exactly mean? 4 actual. 4. Before covering syntax number 4, I hope you already know. I will give a small recap actually. Regarding all syntaxes. Are you ready? Good. Get ready, sir. Get ready. Syntax number 1. Very good. df dot ILOC of single number. Valid, sir. Syntax number 2. Madam, chapane. df dot ILOC of comma. First tell the comma separator. Then next one here, kind of some all rows and here single number. 0 column. Single number. 0th index actually. Now syntax number 3. Syntax number 3, how fun it is, sir. df dot ILOC of, and I will not provide any comma. See, look at myself. Hold on. Imagine, so if you are providing like this, it indicates to all rows, all columns. All rows. Even though if you have deleted this one, trust me, this syntax works actually. Conclusion of the story here, columns are all columns default. All columns what, Sajid? Are you clear? Good. I need a response. Are you clear? Good. Now the syntax number, oh, this is 3, right? Chapana sir. 3. Mar 4 and endu rasanu. Okay. Syntax number 4. Syntax number what, Sajid? 4 actually. This 4 syntax is quite fun. Chala fun untadi. Adendante, imagine df.illoc, sir, comma separator. What separator? Okay, comma separator. It indicates to all rows. It can indicates to, and it indicates to columns, all columns. Now, let me tell you, whenever you are talking about the comma, I need only first column, I need only second column. Think like that actually. Boss, I have a question for you. Can you tell me, can I explain slowly? Daniel, please explain. df.illoc. First of all, comma separator. What separator? Comma separator. Okay. df.illoc. LHS and what, sir? RHS. df.illoc. Left hand side, rows. Right hand side. Who will write like this, man? For your better understanding, you know, I'm writing like this for your better. df.illoc, I mean to say, comma, yeah, sir, it indicates to all rows. Chapana sir? All rows. Now, columns, I need specific columns only. What columns, man? What do you mean by that? What I mean to that, you know, sir, 0th column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column, think like that. Here what you can do, you know, here you can provide, hey, start from 0, start from what exactly? 0, and if you have given here 3 means, oh, sorry, sir. Start from 0, think like these are all columns. And now if you have given 3 means what exactly happened, you know, sir, something like a range syntax. Something like a, what happened, you know, it will start from 3, third column, I mean, it start from 0, first column, second column, third column, that's it. That's it actually. Yeah, that's what you need to be understand. These are all columns. Just think like this is the columns actually. If you understand this syntax, topic is nothing, sir. I believe you understand. Can I get a response from you? Okay. Come again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, start from 4, right? Hold on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then here, column names also back and start from 0. If you have given 0 to 3, it indicates to start from 0 column. Next one, 1, 2, 3 you will not get. Why? Because 3 minus 1 it will be applied in the backend actually. Then only how many columns you will get actually? First 3. 0, 1, 2. Are you clear? Good. Let's move on. Then this is the total syntax you need to be understand. Let's apply this. Can I reread the example? Few guys are sleeping, sir. All the best for your career actually. df equals to మీ కెరీర్కి మీరే బాధ్యులు. సేల్స్ 2.cs ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్ సర్జీ df. Nice. Let's apply fourth syntax. What syntax? Come on, let's apply fourth syntax. Fourth syntax means, first of all, comma required. What is required, sir? Comma separator required actually. Okay, comma separator. Good. Then Daniel, I need all rows. Chapana sir? All rows. Now Daniel, I need only, you know, first one, second one, third one. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then do one thing. Column separator 0, 2 చెప్తారా 3. Now see sir, see the beauty. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. What happened? అయ్యో ILOC. అయ్యో సార్ చెప్పాలి కదా మీరు. Then your response will be అడగలగల Daniel, right? Perfect. We are getting 0. Yes. 1. Yes. 2. Third index you cannot get. Why? Because, you know, go for the range and kind of some range syntax. Starting and ending index actually. Are you clear? Now let me tell you. This topic, you no need to break your head actually. Only syntax matter. What matter? If you forget the syntax, topic is, you cannot remember actually. But Mukhtar sir, let me tell you, in real time, accessing specific value really matter. Accessing specific value. Just I'm covering the fundamental. Once I entered into all these topics, I will recall one more time. Okay. Fourth syntax, just now I covered actually. Then kindly please do practice. We'll get an idea. Hold on, everybody. Let me ask you one small question, if you really understand. First 3 columns, am I right? Let us provide 0 to 5. Chapman sir. Exactly. So first of all, comma separator. Hold on. Apply the syntax. Always. Don't be hurry. Be cool. Comma separator. Left hand side rows, 5 rows. How many rows? Starts from 0. Right hand side, 3 columns. Right hand side? That's it, man. That's it. I mean to say 3 columns. Right hand side position. That's it. Wow. See, from the data frame, we are selecting chunk, a small, in real time that is called as a chunk, chinna piece, chunk of the data frame, piece of the cake actually. Think like a cake is circle. Mere board cake cut chesare eppadana? Cake is a circle, kind of some slice. This is called as a slice actually. Kada? Easy sir, very easy, very easy. Rather than telling the topic, let me write a syntax there. Hello sir, total how many syntaxes I covered? 4 syntaxes. A last recap, then I can say bye. We're done for today's session actually. Hold on. Recap. Tomorrow, first to by heart these syntaxes and come for this session. LOC is very easy.
Yes, sir.
If you didn't practice for tomorrow's session, if you didn't practice today's session, if you are coming for tomorrow, you can sleep sometime actually. Why? Because still LOC topic. That much too difficult. Okay. Sorry for getting. Chappan sir, ILOC of 0. Syntax number 1. Syntax number 2. Chappan sir, df dot ILOC of chaptara. Am I right? Good. Thank you. The next one. Syntax number 3. df dot ILOC of 0 to 5. That's it, right? Correct kada? Let me know if I have written anything wrong. ILOC of chaptara. Hold on. Comma. Now here, Daniel, column, and here, column, and here let me provide 0 to 5. 0 to what exactly? 5. Oh, sorry. 0 to 5. And here is what exactly? 0 to 3. We done, sir. Are you clear? See, almost this is the third time I am giving revision. If I didn't explain like this actually, you are having small brain. That it will be gone. Ardhayinda sir? Asale chinna brain mankunnadu. Can I tell you? We done today's session. This is a bigger topic in Pandas. Tomorrow we can close this one and we can move on with the next topic. Before you are attending tomorrow's session, kindly please do practice actually.
Aku matalakyo